Where's Toby gone? Is he gone? It's a maze.
Toby!
Toby!
You better not run in.
Ronnie, come on. Here he is. He keeps running.
Oh my god.
Dog's down.
You've fallen out. I mean, you've fallen in
Well,
love, haven't you?
we're acting like Rocky Cananda. Remember?
Is he alright in here though?
Dog's
We'll have to make sure he comes out with us. Can you see Ronnie? Nothing.
Right. That's a dog. That's a dog, not a pigeon.
He's after pigeons. Chasing pigeons. He goes at pigeons, he loves pigeons.
Whoa! Let's stop. That should be in the Olympics.
Pigeons are watching him. Like, oh, no, this is safe. Ronnie.
There's a sleep on.
What do you see?
He must live off pigeons, Paige.
Oh, he just plays with them. He did the same with a cat yesterday.
Yeah, but if he's a street dog, he'll eat what he can.
He didn't eat the dead pigeon.
I'm not, I'm filming the dog, alright? He's gonna do a pee on these ruins.
Literally so upset when you can't take that dog back because I knew Daddy had fallen in love with the dog at some point.
It's to be in the Olympics. I swear.
Back off.
I'm gonna be that dog.
He's a street dog.
He's that dog. I'm going to stay
You fall in love with dog just as much as Ronnie.
down here, Mummy.
No, come on, it's not like that. Come on, right, come on now.
No, it's not too bad. If Toby can do
Let's
it,
go
you
in.
can do it.
Go on in. We're
Toby
off
can.
on
If
Castle.
Toby does it, you do it.
We're from Castle Tarwit dog.
Don't. No. Toby.
Keep going.
Toby.
Is he after a pigeon?
Toby, you can get all the pigeons you